NASDAQ's colors bright, and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The NASDAQ's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Streams starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away.
they got me muted. What the hell? Alright. I was saying, good morning. Wasn't really late. I was here, just fighting with Ninja Trader. Didn't feel like doing it on stream. Futures floor, good morning. Been fighting with Ninja Trader for the last 20 minutes. Why not, right? Good way to start a Monday morning. Nothing starts your week like fighting with Ninja Trader. Futures floor, futures floor, futures floor, futures floor, futures floor. Good morning.
Hold on, you're coming in way too long, way too loud.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it.
I don't mean way too loud, but you're coming in double.
Uh-oh, I didn't do that either.
I tried. Yep, it was a good attempt. I have a browser open somewhere. Hold on. Okay. Speak and forever hold your peace.
Speak and forever hold your peace. I have no peace this morning.
Okay.
Fighting with that damn Ninja Trader.
That damn Ninja Trader. What's going on?
I don't know if you remember, but Friday they deleted the candles on. They erased the candles on my chart.
Yeah, I remember.
Today I show up and the candles are missing on a different chart, my main chart. Then I go to the chart that was missing Friday. The candles are there, but all the bots are gone.
Yeah. That's weird. That's weird. If you would have told me that's happening in Prism or OBS, I would say that's just a regular day, par for the course. But for it to be happening in Ninja Trader, that's kind of weird.
So luckily I had 2 of the 4 saved. So struggling around trying to recreate the other 2. I still don't even know if they're right. Fuck it, what can you do? Give it your best shot and hope for the best.
There you go. Y'all been to prison? That is a funny question. No, I haven't been to prison, and I hope I never will.
Been to prison? Who the hell's asking that question?
Wood chip, that's hilarious. Y'all been to prison?
Shit, was there even a good morning first?
No.
Been to prison. Never been to prison.
I heard
it's fun.
The beard. It's the beard. You got to get rid of the beard.
I don't even have any prison tats. Now I'm gonna have to get some prison tats.
Okay, we got out of a piece of Bitcoin. That's cool. Let me just mark it in there. You see the 5 lot was taken out over there. We're up 135 points from entry. Let's get back to NQ.
I do have a bunch of holes in my belly, and sometimes I tell people it's from prison fights.
Yeah, gunshots. Holes in the belly. I don't want to ask.
Sometimes I tell them it's from a bar fight. Bar fight, prison fight. Shit, it was one of them. I don't remember.
What's it really from? That's what I want to know.
Well, if I
forget the made up story. I want to know the truth.
But isn't the made up story better?
It could be, maybe. I don't know. Not if the truth is about aliens. An alien abduction, no.
All right, the truth is either about aliens or something called a laparoscopic nephrectomy.
Wow.
You'll have to figure that out on your own. I'm not going to tell you the simple term.
Laparoscopic. Well, laparoscopic, that's the surgeries they do. I think when they do it with the cameras. Come on, let's go.
I can't confirm or deny. My official story is a bar fight or a prison fight. I don't remember.
Okay. You don't want to go with the alien?
Or the alien. Alien, that could be true also.
Because when you know what, when you're abducted by an alien, they're always doing tests on you.
Oh, and to just fuck me a little bit more this morning, Prism tried to mute me again, but I caught it. Don't know why it's doing that.
Is it Prism or is it your line 7 thing?
Line,
wow, nice chart.
Line 6.
Line 6. Did you get your 2-minute trade in?
I did.
Nice. I didn't take it again. My alarm went on.
Long trade. Didn't make much money though.
How can it not have made much money? I'm looking at your chart on your stream. It's a dynamite stick. It's a firework straight up. Prison muted you.
Yeah, I started the stream off and I even checked everything, make sure nothing was muted because they got me the other day. Everything was good. It's got to be something with that video. And I started talking and I seen the meter was grayed out. I'm like, what the heck's going on? Shit, we're up 135 points straight up.
Are we?
Who did that? That's not even including the pre-market. We go pre-market.
Up 152 gold and 152 gold's up $45.
I got 160 for going pre-market.
Bitcoin is up $1,350. If you would have bought 1,000 Bitcoins on Friday's close, you would have made $1 million by now.
I would just like to have the money to buy 1,000 Bitcoins. Shit, I live a simple life. Just give me the money to buy the damn Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's what you need for that. That's 100,000. $1 million. You need $100 million for that. Shit.
What was that song? Ooh, take the money and run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are some mega millionaires from Bitcoin. The early days who held on, the miners and stuff.
Oh yeah.
When you would mine Bitcoin and so this is how the system is supposed to be holding. We just keep holding and holding, and when we extend about 30, 20, 30, 40 candles away from my entry, I'll consider getting out. If not, we just hold. I'm going for runners.
You put good morning, Jose. I don't see Jose.
No, I just got it in.
Oh.
I just got it out of the way.
Okay.
Just like I set up your camera and the speaker before you came in.
I didn't have. I got yours set to where I just turned the board off and you're automatically there.
Yeah, but I don't remember. That's the problem. So now I have this. Remember I showed you yesterday?
Oh, the card. Yeah, I got another trade. It's two.
But I didn't want to. Oh, go.
2 out of my 4 chances to blow my account.
Stop saying that. It's depressing. It's discouraging. 2 out of 4 chances to pass in one trade. What's with the glasses half empty all the time?
No, I don't pass in one trade. I blow it in one trade.
You don't have to say that. You can.
I thought it was more interesting. Come on.
Nobody knows.
Keeps people on the edge of their seat. I mean, the trades don't last but half a second. You gotta come up with something to keep them interesting.
Wow. If you guys would see Top Step, this is a 220 to 380 run with that one candle changing the bearish.
So I'm actually kind of mad that I didn't blow the account Friday because I could be starting a new account. And I feel like that's what's going to hurt me. I feel like I got to up the contracts.
Take a look at this run, this bounce off the previous day's close on the NQ. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm going to catch some runs like this now. I'm going for the bigger runs. Not exclusively.
The prison system muted me.
The prison system.
Nope, never been to prison. I'm getting orders left behind. I'm gonna have to talk to GPT about that.
Well, I'm trade copying to 3 accounts. One more try, and I'm very nervous, so
Hmm.
very wary.
Now you
Let's
got
just
me.
put it that way.
You got me nervous.
So I'm watching my positions tab very closely. I did it pre-market, and it was instant. As soon as I went in, I don't even remember if I went in with a market order or a limit, whatever. But it was instant. Boom! All four were filled at one shot. Then when I got out, it wasn't. It was boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Hey, butter stunts. But wait, it gets worse. And then when I did another trade, it was boom. Like I limited out. I went on the offer. You know, I'm selling on the offer.
Yeah.
It went through it. It was 3 points above already, and it still didn't get out of the other trades. It got out of them slowly. And I bet it didn't give me a good price, a better price. Yeah. Did you see this? Look at this on the Ninzarenkos. Whee.
Man, great
And
job
then
for anybody that took that long, huh?
Yeah, that wouldn't have been for me because we're below the bands, but I am using the new Butterbands logic. I call it Butterbands, I don't know, basket beater or something, and it's to catch these moves here. It's the one. Oh yeah, okay. You were watching the what do you call it? The back testing. You were watching the back testing video or stream, and it's to catch these moves. Long moves now. I got one going in Bitcoin. The entry was here, but I got in a little bit late. Yeah, basically it's I'll give you a quick tour. Let me do this. When you get below the bands, you wait for it to touch the bands and then continue. You short and you just ride it. And you hope for a long move. So and the best case scenario is that you go back into the bands early instead of like late over here. I think NQ, I missed a really good one. No, gold. It's gold. Look at the gold trade. Oh no, okay, it wasn't. I thought it was early. It wasn't early, but it really ran from 73 to 02, $30.
Mike, what do you have for open range high?
Is it that time already?
I asked it.
349.50 around there. I mean, 349.50.
Okay.
Well, you're off. You may be off by a minute. If you're off by 1 minute, you're going to have it at 370 because of that extra candle.
Well, I have 348.50 on my volume chart, but then on my trading view, if I go to a 1 minute chart, I got 945 at 370. That's a big difference.
That's wrong. That's wrong. No, that's wrong. You're including the 945 candle. On TradingView, if you see 945, that's 945 to 946. That candle shouldn't be included.
What?
TradingView marks the time at the start of the candle, not the end of the candle.
Oh, you're
All
right.
platforms mark the start of the. Only NinjaTrader decided to be different and mark the candles with the ending time.
Why can't they all just get their shit together?
That was just stupid. That's such a stupid decision.
So if I'm looking at the chart and it says 945, that's the wrong candle?
on trading,
Yeah.
on trading, yeah, it's right. That's you're done already. It's closed. That's 945 and beyond.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Well, but that is the 945 candle.
Yeah.
That's the candle that formed. That is, for me, that's the 945 candle, not 945 ending time.
You're right.
Or maybe we're just used to it. Maybe if they all would have used the ending time and Ninja would have used the starting time, I would have screamed at them also. Who knows?
Hell, it's Monday. Who knows what the hell's going on?
Wait, Ninja marks the end time of the candle. Yep. At the beginning. They're the only ones that do it. So all your ranges, all your initial balances, and your opening ranges, especially if you're using 1 minute, 2 minute, they're all off. If you didn't know that, you're using the wrong times.
Could see a buy entry here, but we are going into a pivot point.
You're right, and I have it. Click, buy at 80.
I'm gonna need a pullback.
Get in at 79.50.
Somebody didn't sneak in my house and set my charts up for me.
80, 76.66.
No, give me a
Let me
pullback.
sell one just to reduce the risk. Well, every time you say the word pullback, I hear the word poobah from the Flintstones. Yeah, the Grand Poobah. There we go. Way to go. Excellent.
Tom R, good morning. Yes, these are 2-minute candles, yes, on TradingView.
They're just 1 minute off.
1 minute off.
Don't tell him.
You know I can hear you, right?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, the main chart, Tom, is 2-minute candles. The Ninja Trader chart is a 2600 volume chart.
Joker, you still in the channel? Give me a target. Give me a trade. Give me a something. Give me a bias. Give me anything.
I thought my volume chart said what it was.
Even if it's just one little sentence, like I think we're gonna just trade higher all day, or
I have to work on my volume chart. Needs to say what the chart is.
yeah, give him some free money, Joker.
Free money? Hell, I want some free money.
Yeah, we all want free money.
I ain't doing no prison type of shit for it, though. Too old for that shit.
Yeah, that's got to be scary for people that are facing stuff like that. I mean, you know, if they deserve it, to hell with it. But imagine all the innocent people that have gone to prison. And look, it's a low percentage, but still. Imagine all the people.
I think that percentage might be higher than you think it is.
Yeah, I don't know. I have confidence in the judicial system for regular people. I don't have confidence in the judicial system for, especially now in the political. You know what? You know, when they went after Trump, you're no above the law, and they started charging him and indicting him.
Yeah.
I could not believe it. I said, you bunch of fucking idiots. Do you realize the Pandora's box you just opened? Because from that moment on, from now until eternity, that's going to be the norm now. Whatever party is in power is going to be going to indict the other party when they're not in power. It's
all theater.
It will never go away now. Yeah, but I wouldn't go into politics anymore. That's it. It's just not worth it anymore.
No.
Now, you know, you got to pay lawyer fees, and look, there's Letitia James and Fannie Willis.
So you said you had faith in the justice system. So what if I told you that 90 to 95% of people don't get a trial in the United States?
I don't know what that means. You mean they plead? They plead?
Right. They're forced to take a plea.
You're not forced.
You are forced.
But what? By gun? How? By gunpoint?
Well, first off, if you can't afford a lawyer, how you gonna go to trial?
Well, they give you one, no? I see that in the movies all the time.
If
you cannot afford, when they read your Miranda rights, if you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you.
From the prosecutor's office?
Is that bad?
Really? You call that a lawyer?
Is that bad? So they're rigging the game, huh?
I'd rather hire a 5th grader. Oh yeah, the game's definitely rigged.
Well, look, there's no... Okay. The game can be now rigged, dirty, unfair. But, again, you're a deep thinker, I've realized. You like quantum physics. You think about these things. There's no system you would create, even you, or me, or someone impartial, that would be perfect. You realize that, right? There's no way to create a perfect system.
I think we had a system that was as close to perfect as you can get, and that's just following the Constitution.
Man, I missed the trade. I missed the winning trade.
I called it out too.
Did you really?
Yeah, so we have another entry. So it is
You
at the
didn't say
pivot
loud.
point. I did.
Did you whisper it?
I
You
did.
whispered it.
I shouted it.
Maybe your mic was off.
Where's the bullhorn? Let me find the bullhorn. I got one for the kids. Bullhorn.
Just for supper's ready, I hope, right? Come down to dinner when they're all upstairs.
There it is. Volume up.
Yeah, I need my my Nightbot message. Don't be distracted. Can't afford to miss trades, especially now with this crazy low volatility. There's only 7 trades in a day now.
Kids get too loud, I pull out my bullhorn on them. It's on my phone. It's not that. It's not a real bullhorn.
Well, after a run like that, I don't think I'm going to go long the dip into the bands. So I missed it. Same thing on gold. I'm not going to go long the dip in the bands.
It's the hourly look like. Still at all-time highs? Back up to new all-time highs?
Sure, yeah, 23,400.
Get it? I see stuff like that, and I just think at least some of my accounts are making some good money. So I do need to go offload some stocks.
Is that your way of saying you have to go to the bathroom, or did you mean it like literally?
Why you gotta use the bathroom?
No, you. You said
you
you got to offload some stock. So I'm saying, was that your way of saying that you got to go to the bathroom?
223.
Okay, we got a trade. Hold on.
25.
Clicker trade. And I'm back to the clicker. Had a long talk with GPT.
Can you explain
get
your
my bathroom
trades
joke? Oh, one.
when you have
A moment. When you have a free moment. I don't want to bother you while you're trading. Lay some cable.
what is it?
Lay some cable. What did you say? Offload some stock.
Oh God.
Reduce, move green. I like that one. Sometimes green. No, move brown. Move brown.
Move brown, sometimes
like
green.
I like that one.
I never heard any of those.
Reduce the inventory.
Tom R, can you explain your trades when you have them? I guess that says.
Who is that?
Tom R.
Tom R. Hey, Tom R.
Or Tom, whatever you want to call him. Time, whenever you have time. Okay.
Don't forget time.
I can, yes.
Don't forget to smash the like button. Did I smash the like button? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did that. If I smash it again, it'll unlike.
How do you can smash your own like button?
No, I smashed yours.
I love your screen. I really like your screen there with the the video on the top corner and stuff. I like your layout.
Oh, that's
gonna charge me.
That's the new one. Yeah, I like that.
How much are you gonna charge me to copy it?
Give it to a GPT.
Oh, I can do that on my own. Quickly. I'll just get that from Canva. I'll get something like that.
Tom, basically I look at the 2-minute chart for direction. I want to look at above or below the momentum line. Try to see a pullback.
Uba.
Which
Drop the kid in the pool.
drop the kid.
That's the best one. Well, the kid, not the kids. Kids if you have diarrhea.
Might be. We have been sick lately.
Are you making nuggets? Yeah, my daughter is My daughter is in Cuba. She has the runs.
Oh God.
Yeah, it even prevented her from going out one day.
Oh
One of
God.
her days. Stuck in the room. It was that bad. Well, they're not giving them bottled water. They're giving them water now in glass containers. You know, you get some employee that doesn't give a shit. He opens the tap. He doesn't want to do it the hard way. He's lazy, you know?
Why are they not
Anything
giving them bottled water?
I don't know. Either they ran out at the hotel or it's some new policy. No. I'm guessing they ran out at the hotel and this is cheaper.
Save plastic.
I don't know. I don't think so. No, it's not the food. She watches what she eats. She's not, she has, you know, bland food. Eggs in the morning, just the pork or the meat. Spraying mud. Nothing will beat drop the kid at the pool. Or drop the kid in the pool.
Oh yeah, I was explaining. So yeah, Tom, basically looking for the candles to be above the momentum line for longs, below it for shorts, pullback, and then I use the volume chart for entry. And I have a video on that if you want to go watch it. Called 2600 volume chart.
Entered at 01. I am long at 0050, a little bit better. Let me remove, I don't know. Let me lower my stop. It's in a bad place, eh? Not the stop. What's in a bad place is the entry. I currently taking the Browns to the Super Bowl. Super Bowl. Yeah, that one's good too.
Browns went to the Super Bowl again?
No, the Super Bowl. You get it? The toilet.
I got it.
Super Bowl.
I got it.
I have to explain every joke to you. This is,
I thought it was funny. I was laughing about it. God. Is the momentum line an EMA? No, it's not an EMA.
two.
It's like an EMA, but different. It's a momentum line.
You gotta do what you gotta do. 95, 94, around 94 I have to add.
I mean, you can use an EMA. Use like a 34 or 50 EMA.
95, let's add over here at 95. Hopefully we get a little spray up. 450, 150, that's good enough to lower
He said
wrist.
spray.
Spray. Spray the day. Check my positions. Long 10 in Bitcoin, we're good. I lost money on that. So what? I just don't like the trade because we're really... I mean, that's a beautiful trade. James would love that trade. I know James likes when we tighten up right at the top. And actually, so would that guy there. Cooper, Mel Cooper, or Al Cooper? Al Brown? That's a bullish pattern, but my brain interprets it as bearish. You see on the 1 minute, the way we're tightening up right against the high of the US session?
What's that mean? That mean we're ready to go short?
I don't know. That means that the sellers are, for me, that means the sellers are going to start pushing it lower, but the intelligent me says, no, this is going higher. Al Brooks, that's it. Because they can't push it lower. The sellers aren't able to push it lower, and we're really hugging the top. But I got out. It made me nervous.
Al Brooks. Is he the one that did the trading in the zone, or?
Nah,
that the
Rick Douglas?
Okay, then he's the one that did the patch trading system.
Al Brooks, yeah. I don't know. He's known for his scalping intelligence.
Pretty sure he's the one that does the patch trading system, price action trading.
Yeah, price action trading. That would be him. That would make sense.
That's him?
Definitely. Yeah.
And then he sued some guys, some YouTube guys before.
Oh, yeah?
Trying to steal a system. Two-legged pullback. I tried to sell a course on his two-legged pullback, and
well, they were stupid if they called it the same name. Former eye surgeon, no kidding. Just change the name. You can't not let people take trades the same moment you take a trade.
No, but
It's
they
not
were
like
trying to sell a
don't-
course and everything.
Yeah, well, that's it. They just needed to rename the trade.
I think the one guy just quit, and the other guy still does YouTube, but he makes a bunch of videos he steals from other people, and he's got like hundreds of thousands of subscribers.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
All you gotta do is steal other people's shit.
is he a former eye surgeon? Oh, I have no idea. So I was kind of, I mean, not that it matters, but I got out. I was right to get out.
Darren, good morning. This stream also runs on Bulenox TV channel. I don't think so. Mike, does your stream run on Bulenox YouTube?
Yours does, though. You got picked up.
Did I?
Hmm.
Sweet.
Darren. What a fun way to spell Darren.
Oh, Darren. That's why I keep you around to help me pronounce names. Darren, did you see the stream on Bulenox? When you typed in Bulenox? Tell us about it. Let us know.
Yes.
Bulenox
Send the link.
TV. Darren, Tom, everybody knows that the guy co-streaming is Futures Floor. And we're going to post a link to his channel.
He was. Yeah, he is. I just looked it up.
There we go.
Ooh. Yes, can't do that. I see the mistake again. You know what? It's great. I'm learning all my mistakes. There we go. There's the first entry on the Renko. That would have been the first one, but it was so late. So late. We needed these to dip in earlier, and we could have been in at 276. It's 120 points.
Yeah, I see your stream when I type in Bulenox. Right there.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, show me.
People also watch this guy, Futures Floor. Now I came across Bulenox and suddenly it reminded me of your channel. Sweet.
Isn't your middle name Bulenox?
We're like Bulenox. We just make more inappropriate jokes and have fun and hang out and talk about strategies and whatever else we talk about.
For instance, what's your favorite snack, Darren? Hey, I can't get into Nightbot. What happened?
What?
I can't get into Nightbot. Every time I click on Nightbot, it's opening up Discord.
I don't know.
I guess they're doing some maintenance or something.
Darren, you looking for any trades? Tom, you looking for any trades? Tom said he's not in front of the chart. I guess on the phone. Maybe. Y'all looking at anything?
You even have your eyes open? Are you awake?
Sometimes I close my eyes. I had to close my eyes Friday when all my candles and everything disappeared. My chart went all wacky.
Yeah, that was weird. Never heard of that.
And isn't it crazy that it happened right when the market like dropped 100 points or something right before it? It's like, nah, you don't want to see this. Just close your eyes. Think of happy thoughts. Oh, Darren's on the carnivore diet. There you go. That's what Mike's trying to do, I think.
Yeah, some kind of carnivore keto combination. But you heard what we did yesterday, eh?
Uh-oh. Don't say it. What happened?
Well, you know. Where did my wife want to go?
Pizza?
Oh, come on. Remember you said you were going to drive 18 miles? 18 hours for it?
Oh, ice cream.
Yeah.
I was tempted, but then I remember I stopped to go pee a lot and it turned into like 30 hours.
But Okay, so we broke it. I'll confess we broke it. I will not lie. I will not tell a lie, as people who lie like to say a lot. I don't get why people ever use that expression. I will not tell a lie. Or I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I mean, the only person who actually says that is a person who's always lying.
Exactly. That's the one I always find funny. I ain't lying. I didn't say you were lying. What are you talking about?
I never say I'm not lying. It doesn't even occur to me. But I guess it occurs to people who lie.
See, a huge ass green candle tells me to stay the fuck away. I hear that. What are you on the hourly chart? This is almost just straight up, isn't it?
What is he on?
I don't know. He just said he sees these huge ass candles and tells him to stay away. That's kind of what it's telling me. I've been carnivore since 2019. Damn.
Wow.
Lost 70 pounds in 6 months. Changed my life.
Tell him to like show up or to stick around. I want to talk to him after. Not now. The markets are open. Got to watch. But
oh, I'm 70 and healthy. Hell yeah.
70 his age, or that's 70 pounds he lost?
I don't ask people their age, so you'll have to ask that question. I'm just more looking at he said, but that's awesome.
I got 70 pounds to lose. I can tell you that. Yeah, honestly, I don't get it.
Don't believe this generation crosses 40s and 50s in their future. No, a lot of people are dying in their 40s now. A lot of people in their 40s having heart attacks. Dr. Barry on YouTube. I have to look him up. What about who's the other guy? Dr. Bergman. You watch him? I don't know if he's a real doctor. I think he's a chiropractor.
Well, I'm looking at the charts. It's Darren, right? That does that, the carnivore? Or is it the other guy, Tom R? Who's doing the carnivore? Hold on.
Dr. Barry. Yeah, Tom, look up Dr. Bergman. Let me see if I can find his channel, see if I can post the link.
Oh, it's
he's got a lot of funny stuff. Talking about,
he lost 70 pounds and he is 70. Tom R. Hey Tom, I'm curious what you eat. Do you only eat meat, or you allow yourself dairy also? What about fruit? How many grams of carbs do you allow yourself in a day? And I have one more question. Sorry to bother you. Do you give yourself a cheat day, like once a week or something? Or are you on it permanently? Oh, there's so many questions. But those are enough. Let's start with that. And then I'll hit you with my next 5. So, do you only eat meat, or do you allow yourself dairy and fruit? And how many grams of carbs per day? Because you can't cut out carbs completely. It's impossible.
So wait, both of y'all do carnivore? Tom and Darren, right? Hey Tom, here's a link to Dr. Bergman's YouTube. Got a lot of funny stuff, natural remedies and stuff. I actually got a friend of mine that drove like 30 hours straight to go see this guy. Cheat day, I just fast water only. Wait, so water's the cheat day?
I don't call that a cheat day.
Shit.
Chinese food, pizza. That's a cheat day for me. Maybe I wasn't clear.
Meat, eggs, butter, some cheese, no dairy, no fruit.
Eggs,
yes,
butter,
you can. No fruit?
Meat, eggs. Eggs. Okay, so he allows himself eggs.
Yeah. What about vegetables?
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Turn down headphones.
Sorry for screaming. I was long. Hey, I'm not going to complain. I just took it just before it did that.
Sweet.
Unfortunately, I had to do flat and all because my trade copier fucked up, but still. Okay, that's it. 200 in my BX.
Darn rewards himself with some honey. Instead of ice cream, you can eat honey.
So really, no cheat day? No day where you, like, once every 2 weeks or a weekend where you let yourself have pizza?
He's grasping at straws. I feel like you either got to do it or you don't. I mean,
no, come on.
Like
What about everything in moderation?
Either all in or all out.
Yeah, I can't do that.
I think the problem is that sugar is a preservative, so when you put it in your body, it's preserving the bad food you put in there. No sugar, everybody, no sugar. Yeah, I think you gotta get the sugar out of your body. I think for at least for 7 days before you even start like receiving the benefits of not having it in there. See, people doing the 7 to 14 day challenge, no sugar. Remove inflammation and stuff like that. Let's see, I got behind on the chat. Reward myself with honey. All the eggs and bacon I can eat. See, that's a good, right? That's a plus.
Ah, that's keto style already. Now you're focusing on fat. Yeah, that's keto. I loved keto. We did really well on keto. We did it a couple of years ago. I was saying, why doesn't everybody do this?
Then Darren says, whoa, my ear. I had the volume at full. I hear you, Darren. My volume's even louder than yours.
Yeah, I think he's talking about my screaming.
Fatty meats are the best. No sugar, all carbs become sugar.
Shit, I just chased. I just did a FOMO.
Yep. Darren gets mad when he sees sugar. Boy, that's what I need to do is just completely cut out sugar.
How am I long a 4 lot?
Keep telling my wife we got to cut out sugar. But I will say it's hard when you have 2 kids.
Yep. I said that the whole time my kids were growing up to my wife. It's just too hard to lose weight now because we got 3 kids in the house and I'm the cook and I'm not cooking 2 meals.
I don't mind cooking the meals, but they should be on it also. We do try to limit the sugar the kids get. I limit them to 1 Gatorade a day or juice. So we don't let them just have a free-for-all. Of course, we got friends and they give their kids sodas and candy all day long and donuts. And seen one kid eating like 6 donuts with drinking a Pepsi.
Holy shit.
Like, y'all realize how much your kid would change if he didn't have all that in his system? Yeah, people around you think I'm from the Stone Age. That's great. Yeah, people don't understand. When my son was little, I had to fight with my grandma over giving him all kinds of cake and stuff. She's like, what? It's cake. He likes it. I'm like, Grandma, you done gave him 2 pieces. That's it. And she's like feeding him more cake. I'm like, give me the kid. Just give me the kid.
It's funny. My dad used to do the same thing. It's very similar. He used to chase them after they were finished eating. They'd get up. He would walk with the plate around the house to continue feeding them. It's like, Dad, leave them alone. It's enough. They're not hungry. They don't have to eat more. problem is, for my parents, they came from war when they never had food.
Yeah, that's
So
same with my parents.
yeah, so when you had food, you ate it.
Mm-hmm.
And he had that mentality. Actually, my
Yeah.
aunts, they had that mentality.
And my dad grew up in the Great Depression. I got into a fight one time with him over a can of meat or something I threw away. Like, Dad, look, I'll go, what does it cost? Like $1? I'll go buy you 5 of them. It's better than worrying about getting sick. I told them they were built different. Those older generations, they're just built different than we are. And the younger generation, they're not built at all. They're kind of left half finished or something.
Okay, let's try something.
You still looking at longs?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, along.
Yes.
Yeah, along.
Yes, it's still pushing. Hard for me to take a trade way up here.
Hopefully we'll get up to 15. If we get up to 15, I'll add. And hopefully once we get up to 15, we can get up to 22 and I'll get out. My stop, I really can't tell because it's hard to tell over here right now. Let me see where the stop would be. I can't tell. Sorry, guys. We have to get under these bands. Let's get up to 15. That's the first challenge. How about we call it that?
Well, my first challenge was showing up today and getting my Ninja Trade to work properly. My second challenge was getting Prism to work properly.
Oh, there you go. There. You see, that's where he misunderstood you. You said Prism. He heard prison.
Oh.
I was wondering how the whole prison thing came up.
Okay.
There we go.
No, never been to prison.
I was wondering when did prison come up?
Yeah, I thought that was weird, but
9, 10. Let's go. 12, 13. Let's go. 15. I need 15. I need to see 15 on the bid. 12. 13. 13 and a quarter. Don't
could have
stall
another.
out on me now. Don't stall out on me now. 9.
Oh, it's just scary.
What's the... Oh, my God.
Kind of rounding up here.
8 points. Yeah, I know. I see it too. 8-point range on the 1-minute candles.
So our ATO are 10?
9 for me. 8, 9, 10. Whatever, however you slice it. That's shitty.
I always forget I put it on my chart because I got it hidden.
Oh, okay.
I got it hidden behind another indicator. It just tells me the number. I always forget about it.
Yeah, it's only for reference every now and then. 13. Come on, 15. Let's push to 15. 13 and a quarter, 13.50. That's a little new high. 14. 14 and a quarter, 14.50, 14.75, 15 and a quarter. Let's get in for another 2 lot. Now we got to get to 22. 22 is a 70% trade. I will sell 2 at 22. Sell limit. Let's hear the cash register ring. Let's go. Push. 18. Come on. Don't change direction.
I got to talk to GPT about my bot leaving stop orders. And then want to add
That's
the
funny.
ATR also.
I had that same conversation with not ghost orders, but what do they call them? Relic orders, or orders that when the trade is finished, they need to be canceled, but
Right.
Ninja Trader doesn't do that automatically, and they don't have a cancel all open orders function in the strategy builder. They do have it in the coding, but not in the strategy builder.
Yeah, it's weird. It would just leave the stop loss like that.
Yeah, I have no idea why they wouldn't put cancel all orders as a function in strategy builders. Because there are times when you enter in a buy limit, and if you miss it and it runs, you want to cancel it. You want the system to be able to cancel it, not just have it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah,
22.
Looks like we're about to shoot up again, doesn't it?
Yeah. 70%. Come on. There we go.
Tom says all that sugar is going to give you acne. Give the kids acne.
Sugar is the devil. Really, it is.
Well, it's a drug. They were going to outlaw sugar, and then they fought to keep it.
Inflammation, cancer, Alzheimer's. They say it's linked to so many things.
Sad that something that hurts us so much is in everything that we eat.
Mm-hmm.
What was your entry? Tom's asking what your entry was.
I got in originally at around 24.08, let's say, and then I added at 15 and got out at 22.
Tom, just so you know, Futures Floor is also live right now. I put the link a minute ago. We can put it again if you want to see his chart or anything going on over there. Also, be able to go back and forth. And if
I'm a master trader.
Yeah, he's a master trader. And if anybody wants that, just type the exclamation mark FF, and that'll send you to him.
Tell him I master trade in the bathroom.
Don't scare him off before he even gets to your channel.
Tell him I master trade with my wife.
Yeah, that's on YouTube. The link should be the link right there.
Send him the link to my master trading video. That's more fun.
You have to do all that once it gets on your channel.
That's a lot of work.
Hey, post my link over there so that way when he goes over there, he can go back and forth if he wants.
It should be posted. Nightbot's supposed to be posting it automatic. Where is it? I don't see it. Yeah, I'll go and post
I don't see it.
Nightbot. I set up Nightbot to be doing it, though. Maybe it didn't register. I told you I was having problems with Nightbot. It was doing weird shit. Okay, let's just copy it.
I set mine up so I could put in exclamation FF and it'll post it.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do those things. You're smarter than me.
On Nightbot.
What? There's hotkeys on Nightbot?
Yeah.
This is what Nightbot is supposed to be posting. I don't see it, though. That's the funny thing. And it's enabled. I'm looking at it right now. It's enabled.
Yeah, it acts funny.
But, yeah, I don't see it this time. Let me just check. Make sure, let me see if the link works. I click it, and yeah, it brings me to your live page.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So we do stream together typically every morning for the morning session. If anybody wants to go back and forth, have the links there for people to be able to do that.
Yep. If you have nothing better to do than to go back and forth between the two channels.
Well, if people, like he's asking, what's your entry? Like, what are you doing at the moment?
I know. I can't resist making jokes. Tell me when your speakers. Tell me when you're on my channel and your speakers are really high. I got some surprises for you. Well, today's a good day, basically.
Yeah.
Trading my Bulenox accounts, 200, 200, 200, 200. Can't complain about that.
Not really liking this roundy top, kind of.
I wouldn't call it a roundy top. We're not rounding over. We just slowed down.
Yeah.
Where do you see it rounding? I mean, take a look at the 5 minute. Can't call that a rounding top.
No, 5 minutes not rounding at all, is it?
Not yet. Maybe 2 more bars.
Maybe I'm just hopeful because I don't want to go long.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I think price action like this is just better to stay out of. How many contracts for $200?
How many points?
Are you asking how many you can buy for 200 or how many do I do? I'm not sure about the question. You're asking how many you can buy for $200. This is the MNQ. Don't mistake it for the NQ. On the MNQ, you could buy, it's what, $2 a point?
$2 a point, yeah.
So you'd have to...
A tick, $2 a tick. Or a point.
Oh, you said each trade was $200?
Me?
That's what he said, yeah.
No, I said I was up $200 on each account.
Okay, so he's up 200 on each account. That might be more than one trade.
Yeah, it's definitely more than one trade.
I think you normally trade about 5 contracts, right?
Me? Nah, 3 to 6 I try, but I scaled back a little bit because I'm watching my trade copier today. I'm a little nervous about it, so I scaled back a little bit. But yeah, 5. I'm supposed to be trading 5s. 5 lots.
Reminds me, I need to scale mine back down to 4. I generally like around 3 to 6. Sometimes if it's going real good, I'll set up an extra for 9. How many points is your target? So my general target is 21 points, but we have not been meeting that lately. So I've been having to exit early. Lately, I've been getting what, about 15? Mike, you normally go for around 10, right?
7 to 10, yeah. Which is kind of stupid because I get in sometimes earlier than you, and then you get in and you're going for 15.
Yeah.
So we need to communicate better. Use my entry, your exit, and we're killing it, man.
It's funny because we have 2 completely different strategies, but yet a lot of the times we seem to get in around the same time. Or he's always a few points ahead of me. But I got to trade my own strategy.
And then I get out, and you're saying, "Okay, I'm in." I said, "Oh fuck! Why did I? Let me hold it. Let me hold it."
Oh, that reminds me. I scale down my points or quantity. Yes. 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 I hope Ninja Trader stops screwing with me. I even saved it as a different workspace and everything. Like, leave me alone. Stop messing my stuff up.
Got one last question for you. At this point, if you're still doing it, is it hard to eat the same? To be so limited in your options and to keep eating it every day, or you kind of just get used to it? Like for me, to drink water is very hard. I'm a diet soda maniac. But I do know from experience when my wife really puts her foot down and doesn't let me buy it anymore, it takes about a week, and then I get used to the water and I drink it, not like it's poison or anything. But that's maybe a little bit of an exaggeration, but I really don't like just plain water. But then I get used to it and I can drink it like it's like anything else.
The soda's poison.
Yeah, but it's got flavor.
I don't drink it near as much as I used to, and like not drinking it as much, and I drank a Pepsi or something, and it like just tastes like pure syrup.
Well, I don't know. I mean, we don't drink a lot. Come on. Some people think it's a lot. We go through 1 2-liter bottle a day for the family. That's not a lot. That's 8 cups, and we're 5 people in the house. So I have most of it, so I probably have a liter a day. And then the other ones have the rest.
Speaking of drink, I'm gonna go re-up mine while y'all talk about sugar.
Is that sweet what you drink? Or is it taste like vitamins?
Let me grab another one, then I'll tell you about it.
Well, I'm going to try another trade over here. See if we get filled. Bidding, I think, 09. Hopefully it comes down a little bit. Doesn't run without me. So far, I think I'm bidding 09. I can't see. 0950. You're not going to come back. You're just going to run. Not nice. Not nice. Couldn't just give a tiny little vibration down and fill me, huh? Okay, that's 6 points ahead. I can't stay in. Well, maybe I can. Oh, see, it would have filled me. I canceled at the wrong moment. Where was the first entry? So the first entry was at 387. And that's the one that's still supposed to be held. Oh, look, I'm going to get a better price. I'm filled at 0550, 4 points better. Hey, can't complain about that, eh? You know what I'm afraid of, though? I've been getting caught every day in the rug pulls. Shit, the other day I got caught in I think it was a 50-point insta rug pull. Like we had an air pocket and we just collapsed in like a microsecond and a half a second. I had a pretty big position on at the time. I was oversized, over leveraged. Of course, it always happens at those times. So it's not going to happen now because I'm not oversized. There's no rug pulls if you don't oversize. No, don't be going back down. You're going the wrong way.
All right, what'd I miss?
Nothing. It's going the wrong way. Wow, look at that gold trade. Fuck.
Oh, you was asking me about the thing I drank. That tastes pretty good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it doesn't taste like vitamins.
No, I had a little bit of a Gatorade to it. They don't have any kind of sugar or anything.
Yeah.
So to get my little bit of sugar fix, I had a little bit of Gatorade. But
is it expensive? Like it's a powder, I think, so you get like 30 servings for $30, or it's more expensive than that?
It's like $1 a piece.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
If you find it on sale, if it's not on sale, it's like $1.50.
You buy it off Amazon?
You can get it from Costco.
Oh yeah.
You can get it from
What's it
Costco.
called?
You can get it from Amazon.
What was it called?
It's called Zip Fizz.
Zip Fizz. Okay.
Tom, you ever heard of
is
Zip
that?
Fizz? It's like a vitamin water. Supposedly they use all natural ingredients. Supposedly, I don't know how natural they are, but supposedly they don't use any kind of like food coloring and stuff like that.
Is it true it makes facial hair grow faster?
No, read the label. I knew you'd say that. I can't read the label because I'm blind and they write stuff too small.
You didn't know I was going to say that. Come on, I'm not that predictable.
I was talking about Tom. He's like, read the label. I'm like, hold on, let me get one, see what I can read.
You know what I love? I love when they make a red label, a dark red label in black lettering. Or a black label in dark red lettering. And I'm talking dark red lettering, not like red that pops out. One, I'm colorblind. But even if I'm not colorblind, that's almost impossible to read. These guys, I don't know who does that. It's almost like a practical joke when they do nonsense like that.
What's the joke?
I'm saying it's like a practical joke when companies use a black label and put dark red lettering. You know, the background is black and the lettering is dark red.
Well, this one's
it's almost the same damn color.
Yeah, this one's white with black writing, but they got so many. Like you see this thing here, and it's got like 20 something vitamins.
Well,
so the writing's so small.
This is what you need on your desk at all times.
A magnifying glass? I think I got one on my phone.
A magnifying glass with a light. See, the light's killing the green screen. I keep this on my desk. Can you see it? It's a motherfucker.
I think I'm getting there. Where the hell is my magnifying glass? Of course you can't.
Short.
Of course you can't find it when you're looking for it.
Yeah, come on, I gotta get in. Put in my what are we at here? 97, 12, that's 15 points. No, I don't want to be late on this trade. I don't want to risk 15 points either. Shit damn, come on. Go the other way.
Are you long? You can't be long.
Ah, short. Short. I want to go short. There we go. But I want to get a little bit of a better price, so I can use my clicker. I'm saying every time you enter a trade, it goes against you. But when you miss a trade, it just never thinks about coming back. But anyways, I got in.
Dom, I can't really read the label, but it's got a whole bunch of vitamins. Vitamin A, C, E, B. A whole bunch
Magnesium,
of stuff.
potassium.
Yeah, it's got all
I
that.
asked you. I asked you about the magnesium and the potassium. I remember now.
I'd be better off Googling it. How many carbs? I don't think it has any carbs. I don't know.
Yeah, really? I don't think that's.
I have to look it up. Let me go into their website.
You can zoom in on the browser.
That's bad. I got it right in front of me. I need to go to the website. Like, where's the?
Sir, do you know how fast you're driving? I can't read this. I can't read the signs on the side of the road.
You know what I always tell them when they say that? Say I'm going to speed limit.
I have to go to the Department of Transportation website and check what the speed limit is.
Let's look at the watermelon. That's a good flow. Oh, look at that. Nice big letters and everything. My goodness. Can I put this over here?
I'll go for watermelon.
Look at that.
Woo!
There we go.
That's a thing of beauty. Serving size, 1 tube. A tube? What's a tube?
This is a tube.
Calories, 20. Ah, they come in separate tubes. Like you pour one tube in what?
You just pour
500.
Either
500 ml. 2 cups, a liter.
Like a 20, either 20 ounces or 40 ounces. Actually, what I do is I like split it in half, and so I'll like do that cup there.
Okay, this here that you're.
I had a little bit of a Gatorade to it, but.
And this here that I'm seeing on your website, this is Scratch and Sniff?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So let's see, total carb. That's what you were asking, right? Was that 2 grams? 2 carbs?
About 20 calories is nothing.
20 calories, 2 grams of carbs, less than 1% daily value.
20 calories is nothing.
Vitamin B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, zinc,
Shit, you didn't tell me B6.
All kinds of cool shit.
No, I'm buying it for sure.
Actually, we're sick right now, and it's probably the only thing that keeps me going. A little bit of caffeine. Wife don't like that it's got caffeine in it. I don't know. Maybe they'll do a non-caffeine version one day. And then there's your ingredients.
Caffeine actually, all joking aside, acts as an accelerant sometimes for certain things. Like I'm taking L-theanine in the morning.
Yeah. Well, I think the caffeine is the green tea. Should say green tea somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Green tea extract or something. I don't know. I don't see it. He says I would not drink that. Uh-oh. What's the bad part?
It's not necessarily that it's bad, I think. Well, no, it's true. Maybe the way he said it was, yeah. I was going to say maybe it just doesn't meet the levels. Like my wife wants to buy a powder, but it's like crazy high in magnesium and potassium.
Wait, you wouldn't drink it because of 2 carbs? Is that the 2 grams of carbs?
Possible. You know, if he's only allowing himself 20 grams of carbs in a day, that's 10% of his allowance.
That's
Carbs
true.
add up fast.
That's true.
When you're restricting yourself to 20, 30 grams, you got to count every one.
He says no carbs. 0.
Wow. That's impressive.
That is impressive.
Yeah.
But I still got to have my Zip Fizz, so I'll have to put mine at 2. Or I might drink 2 a day, so I might have to put it at 4.
Well, the only way I can do this kind of diet, or at least a high protein diet, is I got to have my cottage cheese. Because, one, I really like it, and it's high in protein, so it solves all my problems. And again, you don't have to cook it. You just pull it out of the fridge. It's convenient.
I saw one yesterday. I was thinking about you. It was like a cottage cheese wrap.
Yeah. Oh, they make cookies. My daughter makes cottage cheese bagels. They're fantastic. So people are discovering all these things you can make with cottage cheese, which is like simulates bread.
Yeah, they were like cooking it with cheese or whatever, and like making it like a bread.
Yeah.
And the lady was saying all your protein and everything's already there, so it don't really matter what you put in it, as long as it's healthy.
Holy shit! I think you were watching the same damn video I watched. Was it a girl with black hair?
Shit, I don't
remember.
know. I don't remember.
Was the thing the size of it
was like rolled up
large?
It was like rolled up like a burrito.
Yeah. Did she put it in the middle, but then moved it over to the side, and then like said, "Oops, I made a mistake." Dumbass. She called herself a name and then moved it over to the side.
Yeah, I think so.
To roll it.
I think so.
So we saw the same one.
Oh no, she put the food in the middle.
Yeah. That's it.
The food to the that was the video. Yeah.
Holy shit! So we saw the same one.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, I should send that to Mike.
Well, we have all these recipes. I told you, my daughter makes cottage cheese bagels. They're insane. I swear to God, they're as good as bagels from the store. You wouldn't know it's a bagel without flour. I swear to God, I'm not joking. You wouldn't know it.
Hey, Tom.
It's unbelievable what cottage cheese does.
Tom, Darren, sometimes around 11 o'clock, we'll open up the chat for Discord. If one of y'all have a mic or something, y'all want to come on chat for a little bit, you're welcome.
Don't have to turn on your camera.
You don't have to have a camera or anything. If you just want to come on, chat about something, talk about the diet or the candles or whatever you want, just let us know.
Nobody turns on their candle.
Yeah, really nobody turns their camera on. So you don't have to worry about a camera. Just as long as you have like a laptop or something, a microphone, you want to come on and chat for a little bit, you're welcome.
Yep.
Hey.
Take that. Not really.
Forgot I took my shirt off.
You taking your shirt off? What did you forget to take off? I heard you say you forgot to take your shirt off.
No, I'm not taking my shirt off.
Today's not Shirtless Monday, is it?
One day we're going to do a challenge between me and you, and the bet's going to be the loser's got to stream with their shirt off.
I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't even walk in front of the mirror and look at myself.
Tom says, not me. I will be leaving soon. Getting auto repair. I got you. Well, one day, stop by the stream or by Mike's stream and you feel like chatting for a little bit, just let us know.
Yeah, I'm getting auto repairs too. We brought our car to the garage this morning. I got to do my brakes. I love doing the brakes.
Oh, God, I told you my brake story.
Every time you do the brakes, you always have to change. Never do I get to just change the pads. Oh, your discs also. One time. Can you say it's just the pads?
Yeah, right. Oh, we got to do the rotors. Oh, we got to do the...
Yeah, the calipers.
Calipers.
And now the new thing is the calipers. All of a sudden, my calipers are seizing. And then my daughter's car, the calipers. She has a new car, and somehow her calipers seized also.
Oh, the new thing is now you got to do a brake flush. Saw that, I was like, what the heck's a brake flush? Of course, they got me on it too. Like, okay, you need a brake flush. That's $150. They know how to get their money, don't they?
Honestly, I have a theory. My theory is when you go to the garage, they gently weaken something else so that it breaks in a little while, and they give themselves more business. Because it's amazing how many times I go to the garage and then 2 weeks later something else goes.
Tom, a few weeks ago, I was about an hour away from my house and had brake issues. Had to go to a shop. We spent all day there for them to do all kinds of brake work. And then when it was time to go, it was time for them to close. So they hurried up and rushed us out of there. And they didn't bleed the brakes properly. So we leave there, we ain't got no brakes. I'm in a truck, got the family with me, 2 kids, pulling a trailer full of furniture. Hour away from home, I had to drive home with no brakes.
How exciting is that? Now that'll get your blood pressure.
I had to push the brake all the way to the floor, and all it would do was like slowly slow down. I was like, shit, I'm just going to take the interstate, and hopefully everybody else is in a hurry, and they just keep going faster than me. Stay out of my way. Luckily, they had a sister shop about 5 minutes from my house, so I didn't have to take it all the way back. I took it there, and the guy's like, you don't have no brakes? I'm like, yeah, I don't have no brakes. He's like, they're just not working properly? Like, what is? I'm like, they don't work at all. Like, you push it all the way down, you don't stop, you just kind of slow down a little bit. Yeah, they didn't bleed it correctly. I think what it was, they did the back brakes, and they also did a brake flush. So maybe they bled the back brakes, but not the front. And then some young kid took it for a test drive, and he comes back and he's like, well, your brakes are kind of soft, but I guess those vehicles are just like that. I told him, no, they're not. What are you talking about? I ain't never had soft brakes. Of course, they was ready to leave. It was a Saturday, 5 o'clock. Actually, it was about 5:30. It was already late. But we made it. And I had to go over a bridge. I'm going over this bridge, and I'm like riding the brake. I got the brake all the way to the floor going down the bridge. Just kind of praying a car don't stop in front of me.
Handbrake. Wouldn't the handbrake work? In emergency? If you
the emergency brake?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would. I don't know. I didn't try it. I never had to use it.
Yeah, I think it would have, in case of emergency.
I was telling my wife, I'm like, you got one job. If I'm about to crash into somebody, you just yell brake. Emergency brake. But we made it.
He knew they didn't bleed the brakes.
What's up?
I said he knew that they didn't bleed the brakes. I see, that's the problem with me. I don't know nothing about cars. They can tell me anything and get away with it. I hate that. You're at their mercy.
Yeah. I mean, I think they probably did a good job. I think it was probably left up to the young guy to bleed the brakes and test it. And I think he was ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the manager was nice. They even gave us some discounts and stuff to try to help us out. And then, so the funny part was the manager screwed up. And then the lady like pointed it out to him, and he's like, "Screw it, it's already there." So it's supposed to be like $1,100, but we was asking about a discount. The lady gave us a discount, and we was asking about another one, and the guy's like, "Well, I'll just give you the difference." And my wife's like, "Well, that sounds good." And he typed in the wrong number or something. He dropped it somehow from like 1,100 to 800. I think he did something on accident, and then the lady pointed out, and he's like, "Well, it's there now. Whatever." So that's kind of cool. You got Tom there to kind of go over, Tom and Darren to kind of go over that carnivore diet with you, huh?
Yeah, Mike Stunts does it too, and this could be my last. Oh, there's no sugar in this. It's true. This could be my last cup of coffee with cream. My wife told me this morning that we're gonna start, I don't know, some kind of extreme something. What the hell? Let's do extreme. If I get grumpy, you'll know why.
Well, the days and weeks are going to pass. So.
That's it. I tell that always to my kids. I swear to God, it'll be a memory. Whenever they're going through something that, you know, if they're cramming for exams or they have a hard day at work ahead of them, I say, eventually it'll all be a memory. As if it never existed.
Keep coughing, keep getting stuff in my throat. Yeah, we're sick over here.
I told you the story a while back. I was coughing on stream there for like 3-4 months. I was using the inhalers also every day. Shit, that was terrible. I swear to God, I was worried it wasn't going to go away.
Hopefully I can mute most of them. Sometimes you don't get that opportunity. Yeah, Tom, Dr. Barry, and read the comments. He also has a live show. Yeah, Tom, I wrote that down. I'm going to check them out.
For what, though? For the carnivore?
Whatever stuff he has. Normally those doctors got a lot of cool stuff they talk about. It's funny because you go to your family doctor and they like feed you all this line of bullshit. Then you see some of these other doctors on YouTube and they're like, "Well, why do you think you're sick? You know, you're having all this sugar, you're eating all this shit you shouldn't be eating. Like, what do you think the result's going to be?" He said he's all carnivore all the time.
Mostly meat and beef, or you switch it up between chicken, fish, and let's say pork?
Yeah.
See, the thing is also, I want to do it, but my wife says, she keeps telling me, but you can't only have beef, you know, you got to switch it up. We're not fish eaters, that's the problem. I hate fish.
Yeah, me neither. I hate fish.
Really,
you don't eat fish?
Me?
Yeah.
No, tuna only. I can eat tuna from the can. I love it.
I don't
but
even
nothing else.
I don't even eat tuna. I don't eat no fish.
Yeah, well, tuna from the can I like.
My wife hates me. She's like, how the hell did I marry a guy that won't eat fish?
living in Florida, that's the other thing. Right by the ocean.
Living in Florida.
Yeah, I saw some TikToks yesterday about what went on in Texas with the flooding. Wow, the water really came in fast.
I was watching one and they was talking about like 7 or 8 different states that flooded in the past month.
Okay.
You only hear about Texas, but apparently there's been a bunch of them. Which makes me wonder, you know, why are they not talking about the rest of them? Oh, Tom's in Texas. Austin, Texas.
Austin, yeah, you have a southern accent, Omnius. And you know, Mike, Florida's in the south, right? But that's not a typical Floridian accent that you have, no?
No, really.
You're more like Southwest. Your accent.
It's funny because a lot of people will tell you that Florida's not even the South. Especially like once you get to Central Florida and below that, that's not even the South anymore.
You have a little bit of like an Alabamian accent.
I don't know. It's weird. Lived in Florida my whole life. Oh, well. So, Tom, are you where it flooded in Texas? Was that in Austin? I don't even know where in Texas it flooded. I saw a video. It didn't show the flooding, but it showed like these Boy Scouts talking about it. I think they were Boy Scouts. And the older one was saying that before they could even do anything, it was like up to the top bunk.
Crazy.
In the cabin they were in.
It was so fast. It was no time to react almost.
Saying basically it started coming in the cabin, then like before they could even do anything, it was already up to the top bunk.
Well, the video I saw, I told my wife it's like someone tilted the earth. The way the water just came in.
Well, they do say that the earth might have a pole shift soon.
I've heard that.
Might all be wiped out by a pole shift.
Well, how many extinction level events have there been in the last, let's say, 10 million years? I think they say 5 or 6 of them, no? Not just one. It's not just the dinosaurs. There's been a few of them.
Oh, at least, yeah. Well, they know the poles have shifted before because they can see it in the ice. Oh yeah, you've had the meteors supposedly took out the dinosaur. Then you had volcanoes.
Yeah, I don't remember what they were, but I remember seeing a documentary on it, and I said, "Holy shit, I didn't know." There's been like a minimum 3 for sure, I think, if I remember from that video.
More and more, they're finding out now that people have been around a lot longer than they thought. Where they used to think it was only been a couple thousand years, now they're looking at more like hundreds of thousands. Looks like it just wants to dump, maybe go back to open range high.
Yeah, I'm watching too. I'm watching Bitcoin. I think it's still to do in gold, but I'm watching Bitcoin for a short. And we got below the bands. And we retraced back into them, so watching for a short. And not sure what I want to do on NQ, because NQ is strong.
Yeah.
Doesn't, you know, we are pulling back, but it's a little bit. I heard that. You caught it, but I heard it. You know, it's funny. I have my trade copier over your face. All I see is your mouth. So I see if you're smiling or not. Okay, Bitcoin is potentially going to go lower. I could have taken that bounce off the 200 band, but I don't know. It's 11:11. We got 7 points of range on the 1 minute candles. You know, for me, 7 points of range is the don't trade anymore.
Yeah, I got an 8. I got an 8 on the ATR.
Yeah, so I did good. Almost up $1,000 on those accounts, and I'm down $50 on one account. So I don't know. I'm thinking it's oh, Bitcoin short. Let's just do it on the.
Tom says he's done for the day. Tom, appreciate you stopping by. Look forward to seeing you stop by more often.
Yep. Take care, Tom.
Chat with
we'll
us.
See you tomorrow.
I normally slow down trading around 11 also. Kind of hang out, talk, chat a little bit. But appreciate you stopping by. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Chat a little bit more. Hopefully everything works out with your car. We don't need no more horror stories with cars.
Butterstones look like it's just going to consolidate on the pivot. Are we really on the pivot? R2, yeah. I don't know. I got really mixed signals now. I hate that. How about I stop trade copying? Trade copier closed. Oh.
That's what gets you in trouble. Where'd you
Trying
go?
to come back.
You disappear?
I'm just trying to figure it out. Give me 10 minutes. There we go.
How long it takes for you to master trade?
I wanted to close my trade copier. I ended up closing Discord. Gonna take a no trade day. Didn't have enough confidence to take that long off the open. That was pretty much it.
I mean, that would have took some big balls there.
Where was Mike today? Mike didn't show up. Mike is sub of the week. We're killing it in the competition. Where's Mike?
Might still be sleeping. Isn't he the one that's like 7 hours behind or something?
No. Oh, I screwed up. Hold on, I opened up so many of them. Okay, I'm sorry.
Damn, those all look new.
That didn't work out. Yeah, I got okay. So that was Coach Fred, and I got Jokers, but he didn't show up. I'll play Jokers. Maybe that'll bring him in. Here's Jokers. There's jokers. I told him I got one. He didn't show up. Then we have one more.
Now you'd have to shave Joker's beard off, right?
I know he wanted the red Santa beard. That was by special order. He said, make sure I have the red Santa beard.
There you
Where's
go.
mine? Here's yours. Here's a new one. Anybody know who that is? That's someone who doesn't want a meme. I said, okay. Thanks. You just gave me the idea for what the meme is going to be.
Yeah, where's Mrs. Future Floor?
Yeah. Doesn't show up enough. Ruan. No, Ruan has one. I think Ruan has one.
Maybe she'd show up more if she had a meme.
Here's Ruan's. Hey, it didn't show up today. Ruan's got one. And that's it. What do you mean that's it? You want more? That's it. Oh, maybe that's it for you. And I got a new one for you, Butter Stunts, already. It's just not finished.
Don't worry, we're gonna get a Mrs. Future Floor. You gotta tell them what. You gotta tell them your requirements.
I like jokers. The profit of price action. That's pretty good, no?
Yeah, I like that one.
Boom. Let's take a trade. I'm not trade copying though. Let me just make sure. Go to positions. Short, short. The other one's Bitcoin, right? MBTC.
Man, he's trying hard to get away from that Mrs. Future Floor, isn't he?
Say that again?
Said he's trying hard to get away from that Mrs. Future Floor one.
You mean changing the subject?
He's like, change subject, jump into a trade. We don't, long and short, just pick a direction and go with it.
Anything is, click the fucking button.
Just click that fucking button and go.
Oh, I have a short. We're going to let it go. Deal me in. Consider yourself dealt. Consider yourself served. 87. Nice win. Unfortunately, though, for the one for Joker, I think I'm going to get a copyright strike
Uh-oh.
on that sound. Yeah.
We could see a short here. We're taking a short.
Okay, that's it. I got in earlier. You're taking a short. You tell me when you get out. I'm not getting out. I got my entry. I'm taking your exit.
I gotta get the signal first.
Oh, come on, give him the signal.
Got 400, 300, 200, 200 volume remaining.
Don't forget to tell me when you get
100, 80, 70.
What are you calling out? Oh, the volume counter.
There we go. Now we're short.
Short? Okay. So now
Lowered
you let me
stop
know.
loss. What's that give me? About 13-point stop.
Okay, I love this. I don't even have to make a decision. Well, let's say 10 points minimum. So at least you're going to 74 for sure.
Try for 64. If it'll go.
Well, I'm going to put in a bid for one at 77.
The ATR is only at 8. So who knows?
8! You know what mine is? 5.92.
Oh, God.
Yeah, because I do it on the last 6 bars.
Well, you know what? This is my one trade on the day on this account, so if it loses, fuck it.
Yeah, and maybe we'll just call it a day also after this, because this is just stupid volatility.
Got to at least be able to handle 1 or 2 losses in a day, huh?
I gotta finish up. I gotta finish up a video. I just gotta put the voiceover on it. Remember what I was telling you? The way that I wanted to try and format it with our faces and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try and put together just this first one here with me. It's an unrelated video. See how it goes, and you'll see it. And you'll understand the format, and maybe we'll move forward. I'm gonna see how easy it is to do the voiceover. The way I'm gonna do it is I have the AI voice, and I have the video. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna play the video with my headphones on, and I'm just gonna repeat how he's talking. So I don't need a teleprompter. I don't need to remember the script, nothing, because I have the guy whispering it in my ears. Problem with me is I'm like Trump. I like to improvise, and then I start adding sentences, and then I get out of sync with the video. You really got to say exactly what he's saying, especially since I spent so much time and effort trying to time. Hey, you got to tell me when you're getting out, eh? I'm hanging on.
Oh, I wasn't even looking at it. That's what I got stop loss for.
I don't know where your stop loss is.
398.75.
Okay, now I know.
Got a little high there. If it breaks the high, just get me out.
Yeah, I see it.
Or if the candle turns green. I'd even lower it a little bit. I don't know. So we have been having
Lower it.
choppy. Yeah, we'll just leave it there.
I'm thinking the second swing high, 403.50 maybe. Too often they like to wick out a swing low or swing high, but not two.
So we did have a lot of delta come in, bullish delta, so I'm not happy about that.
Okay. I removed my OBV. I didn't really use it much. Okay. That one's gone.
What if I come over to this one? I don't understand. The one scene it shows your picture perfect. The other one it shows me. And they should both be the same. Alright. Stay where I'm at. Yeah, now we're pushing. ES is pushing. Yeah. Going down. What can you do?
I see it, Craig. Okay, there you go. What do you mean, what can you do? You're short. If you said ES is pushing lower, that's good.
No, it's pushing higher.
I heard you say going down.
No, I said we're going down. Trade, well, damn, directional
I get
people.
what you mean. Yeah, I get you.
We need new terminology.
This trade ain't going down. You know what? No, I'm not getting it. Anything can happen. ACH. I'm not getting out. Anything can happen. On a dime, this thing can just change directions. That's what it is. It's waves of buyers, waves of sellers. Yeah, right now the buyers are coming in, but any second they could back off, and then the sellers will start coming in. And if they stop me out, they stop me out. I'm not going to predict.
No, and it's a valid trade, so whatever. As long as I'm losing on a valid trade, got my stop loss.
The day is good. Didn't get enough cash registers ringing today. There we go. Looks like the momentum shifted. Buyers have gone. Buyers have gone fishing. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully it holds for a little while.
I play the probabilities of the long run, so no single trade should matter.
Hey, deal me in. What was I going to ask you? Oh, If you play a song backwards, you think it'll still pick it up for a copyright strike?
Is that going to be our new thing to try? Playing them backwards. Why do
What do
y'all
you
play?
think?
Why do y'all play every song backwards? That would be interesting to try.
Well, because the thing that I'm using for Joker is a chant. So I'm saying it'll still sound like a chant if I play it backwards.
Sometimes what I'll do is overlap them, try to confuse it.
I just don't understand how it has absolutely everything in its library to be able to catch you. Like you'd figure it would be the popular songs or, you know, songs that got on the charts, but it's got everything.
Oh God, I had one. I was listening to Spotify and a song came through, and it wasn't even like a like mainstream band or anything. It's like some underground band, underground song, and like it picked it up. It knew where it was from. It knew what the band was. It knew the company they was with. Everything.
I don't get it.
Like this is
That's
crazy.
insane. Well, so I guess this Joker thing for sure will get flagged. Okay, no big deal. I'll get another sound. I'll make it up myself. I did Butter Stunts, so yeah, I'll do his Gregorian chant.
Well, they checked my stop loss. Didn't take it yet, but I'm about 100% sure they're going to.
Yeah, you're pretty close. I don't really care. I had a good day. I'm going to let it go a little further. I'm going to let it go to 405.
No, because
14,
on the
but-
5 minute, we're in a bull flag about to break
yeah,
out.
I see it. I see it. Okay, so fuck you. I'm
There
out.
we go. I'm out.
I'm out. I'm out.
Yeah, I wouldn't fight that bull flag.
Mm.
So I'm minus 14 points. That's fine.
Mm-hmm. You took a 4 lot, I think I saw on your
Did
stream.
I forgot. I changed it, didn't I? So yeah, a 4 lot.
I don't know. That's what I thought I saw.
Yeah, 4 lot. So that's even better. Look, change it from 5 to 4 just in time. I think that's what a lot of people miss is there's other ways for risk management. Lower your size, lower your copy trading, maybe not copy trade as much. I try to keep it down to a few trades a day. And it's amazing how little trades it takes to make it all back.
So overall, would you say you enjoyed master trading with me today?
There ain't no world where I'm gonna say I enjoyed master trading with another guy live on stream.
Master trading. That's like a master class. It's a master trading is short for a master class of trading.
Listen, I understand you're from Canada, but I'm from Florida.
It was a good day. Not only was it a good day, it was a good day of patience. It's true. I didn't even tell you. I don't think I told you what I kind of put into place. It's not fully in place yet, but I'm going to allow the bots to take over a lot of my trading, and I'm going to focus on being entertaining on the stream. 2 reasons. 1, most importantly, I'm trying to go a little bit longer term on my trades, and I can't do it. My psyche just can't handle it. So the bots can do it, and I'll just take a look every now and then how they're doing, and I'll allow the markets to determine my day. It'll have the patience for the entries, the patience for the exits. So that'll work. And 2, I miss too many trades being distracted, and then I get in late.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. I said, you know what? It works out perfectly. I get to focus more on the stream and let the bot take over the trading. And that's why I said it went well today. Today I did it manual. I didn't have the bot trading it. I did it manual, but I took, you noticed, right? I took a lot less trades today. Did you pick up? Did you pick up on that? Yeah.
Plus I don't know. We're both different, but to me, all those trades are stressful. I'm like trying to minimize my stress.
Definitely. I saw a video from Linda Raschke on the weekend, and it hit home also. She said, the least amount of decisions you make during the trading day, the better it is. You shouldn't be making any decisions. You should just be like decisions, meaning, okay, are we going to go up here? You should have your plan in place. You should know your plan, and you should just execute it. I mean, theoretically, that's a decision too, but that's not what she means. That you're saying, okay, my plan has a trade that triggered, and I'm deciding to take it also. Yes, that's a decision, but that's not at all what she's taking. She's saying get rid of your exhausting yourself mentally, trying to predict and time the market impulsively on the fly. No. Everything's got to be laid out.
Right. Plus, if it's not laid out when you get in the trade, if you start looking at the numbers, you start looking at other stuff, then your heart starts pounding. You can't think, you're clenching your butt cheeks, and at that point, you know you've already lost. You got to show up to the fight prepared. You can't just show up and say, I'm going to wing it. Okay.
So at the end of my videos, I always say that we're active traders. You don't have to wait 4 hours for us to take a trade. I'm going to have to change it to, we used to be active traders. You think people will notice? We used to be active traders.
Leave it.
No longer active traders.
Leave it. I don't think anybody cares.
I'm joking. Of course I'm going to leave it. We used to be active traders. Oh, I got a long. Boop, boop, boop. Let's take it.
Just put we're master traders and we master trade.
We master trade. We master trade all day long. Till our hands bleed. Okay, you better not stop me, you bugger. What time is it? 11:33. That's about 94 is about the 50%. I'll add it 94. And it is what it is.
You gotta steal Patrick's saying, #1 stream on YouTube.
Everybody's #1.
Well, I mean, in your opinion, aren't you? I mean, it's kind of subjective.
It doesn't matter. I'm surprised the Federal Trade Commission, is that it? The FTC, the one that's in charge of broadcasting and stuff, doesn't say, you know what, you got to back that up with something, some kind of data. You have to back that up with some kind of data. You can't just.
Well, it's an opinion. You can't tell people what their opinion is.
Yeah. Then if you say the #1, the most entertaining, that's an opinion.
Well, #1's an opinion.
Most entertaining. No, #1 is a fact.
No.
You have to have either the most viewers or the most subscribers or the most something.
No.
#1 in what?
What doesn't matter?
Well, you didn't define it.
If I say I'm #1 in my mind, that's a fact.
In my mind, but you didn't put that in the title.
It don't matter.
You didn't say #1 in my mind.
It don't matter. You can be #1. Don't you ever tell your kids? You never told your kids you're #1?
You're the best. I tell them you're the best.
Okay, well that's the same thing. You don't have to prove it.
No.
What if your kid was like, Dad, prove it? Like, shit, I don't know. What do I got to do?
I can prove it. Son, look how many times I say, I love you to you, and look how many times I say it to other kids.
So you don't have any evidence. You're just saying you're #1 in my book. But you don't say it like that. You just say, son, you're #1, or daughter, you're #1, you know. I tell my daughter all the time, I'm like, you're my favorite daughter, right? You're number one. She looks at her brother and says, hi, I'm number one. And then her brother's like, he said daughter. My kids are too smart.
Okay, I'm happy. I got my money back from the little loss I took on the Omnius trade. The one Omnius trade I take. Oh, look at that shitty wick. It doesn't hit take profit. That's okay. Next one. No, I didn't take an Omnius trade. It's true. I took my trade. I just went for the Omnius.
Well, we have a disclaimer.
We'll get the next one. We'll get the next one.
Do not copy our trades. May or may not be drunk. Master trade daily. You got a master trade by yourself.
Doctor's orders.
Doctor's orders. Mike, you got to make a video, right? How do you get over a losing trade?
You don't even have to finish that.
I go master trade myself. Relieves a little bit of stress.
Yeah, how do you recover from losing trades? Well, don't stop master trading. Just continue master trading. Hey, I'm glad I got out.
I like the one where they say, yeah, how do you get over losing trades? And I forget who it was. They're like, well, the good news is that traders have a very short memory. So by the next day, you forgot you even took a losing trade.
Exactly, and that's why the PDLL is so fantastic. Because while you're looking at your losses during the trading day and you're furious, if you just quit when you have a small loss and you come back tomorrow, fuck, I don't even remember what account I had a losing trade in. They just all blend into each other. Or a losing day in.
Exactly. Switch them out, use different forms of risk management. You know how hard it is? You know how hard it is to blow an account losing $200 a day?
I know. That's why I said, look at my Bulenox accounts here. 3 master accounts. I'm rotating them. One is at, where are they? Hold on. Let me go by display name. One is at 51,053. The other one is at 49,949. Made 100, 200 today. And the other one's at 50,235. So they're slowly climbing, except for one of them. That one was down as much as 600, but I had two $200 days, and it's back up. Yes.
Then when you get in the days where you're hitting it every day, that's when you throttle up, you know? Mm-hmm. Days like this, you can throttle back a little bit. You start getting 2, 3, 4, 5 winning days in a row, throttle it up, add another contract, add another one.
It's just really a shame that Bulenox, I'm going to have to contact them because they seem to have gotten rid of a lot of rules, eh? I was on their website the other day. I couldn't find a lot of the restrictive rules anymore. And I went through everything.
Really? I haven't heard of changing any rules recently.
Well, they got rid of them all, it seems.
I don't know.
All the restrictive rules are gone. They're not on their website anymore. There's no more trade every 5 days. There's no more do not copy trade to other accounts. I couldn't find it.
Oh, shit.
Do not copy trade to other firms, you know?
Hey, the 91's back.
Well, I checked this morning. It's still the 18th, the expiration date.
No, they changed it.
Did they change it?
Yeah.
To what date? No.
31st.
Wow. Okay. So go buy an account and use my code. You do use my code, right?
I do. Best code.
Do you really?
Best code on the internet. Highest chance of winning. Who else's code would I use? Can't use my own. Can't master trade by myself.
No.
Yep, 7:30.
Here's the funny one.
7:31. So you got 10 more days.
Yeah, you know, they have the, but they also have 81% or 83%.
They have 83 and they also have 45.
So for the 83, I made the code FLOOR2, FLOOR with the number 2.
Yeah,
And I have sales on that.
that's crazy. Well, a lot of
How?
people on
No,
Bulenox.
but I don't advertise that.
Yeah, a lot of
You
people
don't
on
see that anywhere.
Bulenox will use the code 2.
Oh yeah.
Also, you
Floor
get
2.
also
That's
you
like
get
me
cre-
typing.
also you get credit if somebody uses your link. So they might have used it. That might have been the best code. So it automatically defaulted to that one, and you got credit for the
There
link.
you go. That's what happened. Yeah, yeah. Because I said there's no way someone's typing in floor 2. I didn't even have my chat up. My wife said, "'Cause of you."
Because of me.
No, I don't know. She just wrote, "Cut." No, she's talking to me, obviously. "'Cause of you." At 11:40. 1 minute ago. What did we say? 1 minute ago that she said, "'Cause of you."
I don't see it. Oh, she must have messaged you.
No, on the chat here, on my channel's chat. I'll ask her later.
Oh, I see it now.
Oh,
Why does it
I
do
have a
that?
lot-
So I had to refresh, and then different chats popped up. Isn't that stupid?
you want to hear? You know that filter for the bad words?
Yeah.
So I said something this morning. I don't remember what it was. I said I'm going to try something. I think that was to let the bots just do most of the trading. So my wife typed in to get your feet wet. And I didn't respond. So she said something, and I said, I didn't see your message. Like she said, like you didn't reply to my message. I go, I didn't see your message. She goes, yeah, I typed in. I go, what do you mean you typed in? She goes, I typed in to get your feet wet. Oh, I was chatting with her on my phone. I go, no, it's not there. So I said, go do it again. I want to see. It didn't come up.
That's weird, isn't it?
It's filtering out to get your feet wet. So I said, okay, what word is it filtering out? So I told her to write each word separately. Which word do you think it's filtering out from
Wet.
that message?
Wet.
Yeah, wet.
Kind of like moist.
Kind of like squirting.
It kind of resembles like get you wet.
Yep.
That's stupid. I think all that stuff's stupid.
But it's your feet. She was talking about her feet. She didn't use the word fetish. I mean, it's a little extreme. Come on.
Butters says your dealer's broken.
I know. Butters stunt is feeling lucky. Butters draws 46. Holy shit. You're right.
All right, I'll be back.
Don't take advantage of that. Don't win free chips that you can't redeem in the Futures Floor store because we're closed due to bankruptcy. Forever. We don't plan on reopening. Well, I have a long trade in Top Step. 71% chance we're going to 408 on the bid. But I don't know. I don't like it for some reason. Try it again. Dealer draws 6. There you go. You know what? I don't know. I think the chat is doing weird shit. I think the chat is not picking up all messages today. Because Omnius was having the same problem. He was missing chats from that guy Tom that was in his stream, I think. I think there were a couple of chats he missed. And he was wondering why he didn't get it. Oh, actually, you know what? Everything is long. I thought one was long, one was short. No, even the... Burp, burp. Someone's texting me. Burp, burp. Wish I could figure out how to get there. It is my wife. And what?
What?
Oh, I get it.
All right. Got my coupons set up right. Hey, so how cool is it that Tom's 70 on the carnivore diet and trading futures?
And lost 70 pounds.
I mean, that's pretty big goals right there. I'd love to be trading futures at 70.
I saw a comedian. He was hilarious. I don't think it was... what's that guy's name? Anyways, I don't remember his name, but he says when you're overweight and you haven't seen someone in a long time, and let's say, you know, they're seeing you for the first time and you're 50 pounds heavier than the last time they saw you.
Mm-hmm.
And when they say to you, how are you? You go, I'm feeling great. I lost 100 pounds. I'm on a diet. I lost 100 pounds already. It changes their perspective. Wow, you're doing great.
I mean, that is a way to play the psychology, yeah.
Yeah. Holy shit, look at you. You completely reversed it from, wow, you gained a lot of weight, to, you're my hero. Ah, there we go. We just got the verdict. Brakes, disc, and calipers. It's always the calipers now.
Go for you.
Yep.
Brakes, discs, and calipers. Oh, yeah. Well, there you go. And, wait for it. Now you're going to need a brake flush.
Flush.
About
I don't even know what that is.
There you go, about $1,000.
Yeah, with the bill's $700.
Not bad.
Don't flush my brakes. Actually, we had that brake flush. They're not supposed to charge for that. I saw them do it, actually. All they really did was they spurted a little bit. They just, you know...
No,
they didn't flush.
No, that's the, shit, now I can't think of what it was called. That's bleeding the brakes.
That's what they did. Oh, that's not the same thing.
No, when they flush it, they flush all the brake fluid out the lines and add all new brake fluid.
Okay.
We're saying we got a long here?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the blue background there on my chart.
Yep.
So the stop is, it's a 1-to-1 trade with the stop at the low of the swing low. So if I were to draw in the fibs, the target is 407. This has about a 70 to 80% probability also.
Yeah, you say 80%.
And I like to take these when it retraces by 50% because then they become 3-to-1 trades.
Where's my stop go?
Right at the swing low, 393.
Damn, tight stop. 393.
Yeah, 393.
That's in the candle.
Okay. Put it one tick under the candle. I don't think we can take trades together. I think when we take trades together, when we master trade together, it doesn't go well. Let's see.
I don't think any trade's going well today. It's just
I did well. I'm happy. I'm going to add it to 50% though. I'm even going to put in a buy limit at 96 because now if it fills me at 96, my stop is 3 points almost only. And then I'm going for 9 points. It's a 3-to-1 trade.
Fine, I'll put mine in at 95.
And then I'll put in my stop for a 4 lot right under, just in case it decides to explode. Sell stop. Let's have all the orders in. No surprises. And you know what? It's always a good idea even to have your buy limit in also. No, your sell order in for your take profit, because you know what? A lot of times this thing just spikes.
Mm-hmm.
does one of those stupid spikes, and this is a 1-to-1 trade. It's a strict 1-to-1 trade. Okay, there's my 4 lot, and I got my 4 lot to get out. Actually,
so you got in that second one, right?
I did. I'm trying to get out now also.
Yeah, missed my entry.
I'm just trying to make my price better. Hey. You're going the wrong way. I don't like that. I don't want to take a lot of risk on this position. Come on, pop up. Don't embarrass me. I'm streaming live on YouTube. Stay focused. That's what Nightbot says. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Your message isn't coming up on my Nightbot. Oh, okay. Well, let's do what Butterstun said. Butterstun said delete it and redo it. Oh, no, there it is. There.
Yes, there right now.
Yep. Good. Just save me some work.
You can always add a hotkey.
Nah, I don't want to do it manually. That's the purpose of Nightbot.
Well, if you're telling somebody.
Ah, okay. Well, he showed me how to do the hotkeys.
Then all you gotta do is type it in. It pops right up. And you can do hotkeys for other stuff. Like you want to do a video or something. Trades by Matt does that a lot. He'll say, somebody will ask him a question. He's like, type in this. It'll bring up a video.
Wow. And that's with Nightbot?
I'm pretty sure they all do it.
Wow, I like that.
So you could say,
yeah.
You got a video about Bulenox. Somebody ask about Bulenox. Here, type this in, or you can type it in. Go watch this video. It's gonna tell you all about it.
Yeah.
Who the fuck is Nightbot?
You got in and you added?
No, I didn't add. It didn't.
You didn't add? You didn't take the 3-to-1 trade? That one's mathematically better.
No, I got in. It didn't quite hit it. I can't.
Well, are you in the trade? Or no, I don't even know.
I'm in the trade, yes. I didn't take the second entry.
I got you. So what's your original entry at? Mine's at 96. No, that's my second entry.
402.
First.
First entry 402.
Okay, a little late.
So you go to Nightbot. You go to Nightbot. You set up commands. I don't know. What's kind of weird? It told me to do something, then it told me I couldn't do it, and something else. I don't know.
I'm going to do what I always do. I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and say, how do I set it up? So if I want to send someone to a video, they just have to type something in.
Do you have?
And it brings up the link. That's a cool little feature. I would think StreamerBot would do that, but not...
Apparently you can do song requests and stuff too.
Song requests?
Yeah, I don't know. You can do giveaways, commands.
Yeah, giveaways, I know. I saw the thing for the giveaways.
I need to set up another one. What do I want to set up? What kind of command? New command.
Kids, go to sleep. If only that worked, huh?
Yeah, fuck it. I'll do it another day. Wonder if Apex messaged back yet. They gonna let me back in their program, or am I still not cool enough? Well, this trade sucks. I don't know how anybody trades this.
What do we got? I don't even know. I don't even want to look. Oh, it's a little bit better. No, it's not a little bit better. I thought we were in the evening session. I was going to say 5-point range on the 1-minute candles. That's better than 3. No, 5 is unheard of in a day session.
That was 9 points. So what's that give me? 23. Welcome. But looking back, there hasn't been very many good signals. It's been like that lately.
That's funny you say that because almost everything I traded today, almost everything I trade, all my setups did pretty well.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals. Looks like 1, 2 would have definitely been winners. 1 was definitely a loser. That one would have been losers. That's 2 losers, possibly 3. That one could have been a winner. I don't know. Had I traded every signal today, it would have been 2 winners, 2 losers, and a possible winner or loser. I don't know. I don't know how I traded.
Count is the 6-1. 7 trades, 7 official trades, 6 winners, 1 loser.
But also the good signals were when I was trading the other thing. So I think that kind of collided with those trades there. I don't know. I'm good with it.
Whoa, look at the time. It passed so fast. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do now all the time. I'm just going to...
Would it be bad if I took this short?
early on my...
Well, if it don't go up, it goes down, right?
Theoretically. We did break the lows, but the thing is we have a lot of internal lows.
I'm just fucking around.
367, 363. Are we going to take them all out? Are we going to go to VWAP? Or are we just going to take one out? Are we trading in a range that you're going to see later on the 5-minute? You know, 405 down to, let's say, 384.
Theoretically, we have an inverse cup and handle on the 5-minute. If I inverse my chart, you can see that very clearly. So, good. Could be interesting.
I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't want to give you a financial advice. You know, go seek the advice of a licensed professional.
We don't give financial advice. We give master trader advice.
I'm here just to entertain you. Let me entertain you.
We're here to make bad jokes and then help the time go by.
Hey, for yourself. I don't make bad jokes. You make bad jokes.
Bad jokes, dad jokes. I mean, you're a dad, so you make dad jokes.
I make sad, bad dad jokes.
And you can't make dad jokes unless there's bad jokes in there. So I'd have to disagree.
See, that's why I laugh at all my jokes, so people know that I'm joking. Even if I don't find it funny, I still laugh. Ouch. So did you go short?
I did, but once again, it don't look like it's going to cooperate.
It looks like. You seem to be a little bit of a breakout trader, eh? Not so much a retracement type of trader. Like, that's a little late, no? Shouldn't you be clicking the donkey on that one if you're entering at 385 to the short side?
No. Look at my chart. You see the red candle. You see it going right on the chart. It's just going the opposite direction. It'd be better if it had a pullback. But since we have a failed long, and it's breaking below the momentum line on the 2-minute, that could be a possible short entry. Yeah? Huh?
Your fingers smell. My fingers smell from my balls.
Uh-oh. Go to break even?
Don't assume anything.
Fuck it, take the trade. I'm out.
It's these guys.
So there you go.
They smell these things, eh? They have a very strong odor. The rock.
Are you sniffing your balls?
No, I'm serious. They smell
Golly,
like.
I'm over here trying to make masterful trades, be a master trader. And this guy's over there sniffing his balls.
Smell.
What the fuck?
Smell it.
He's like, you want to sniff my balls? No.
Smell my fingers.
Golly.
I forgot what I was doing. I was
Butters.
supposed to go.
Butters, this guy's trying to get people to smell his balls. Come on, man. Here I am trying to be a master trader. This guy wants people to sniff his balls.
Wouldn't you like to be a master trader too? Okay, can I still see your signal? Because that you were telling me about, that I was saying that it seems a little late.
Yeah. It's there right now.
I'm there. I'm going. I'm opening up the screen.
You can see the trade.
Well, I don't know.
Actually, you can see the failed trade and then the other one I took.
What's that little line with the circle? I can't really tell. Is that like a little star in a circle?
Line with a circle.
Yeah, come on. Right, like 3 bars back over the, pretty much at the high of 2 bars back, 2 closed bars back.
You talking about on the 2-minute chart?
The big chart.
This one?
Yeah, 23, 396, 11, 12. Yeah, right there. Well, relax with the craziness. The little line and the little dot, not the whole fucking chart. Oh, it continues. It goes through. It's just not showing.
You talking about the
it's
momentum?
It's like a break. I got it. Yeah, I get
momentum line.
I didn't know. I thought that was a signal line or something. Yeah. What it is yeah. It's that red line, green line, red line.
Yeah, it's the momentum line. Yeah.
Okay. So where was your entry when you broke the momentum line and closed?
If you look at the volume chart down at the bottom there, you see the entry. Down here.
Okay. Yeah.
You see the failed breakout long. And then the entry short. So it broke the momentum line on the 2-minute. Right? See that? Failed long, break momentum line, pushing down. The volume chart turned from green to red. Also breaking a trend line. And all that together told me to say, take a short.
So, but you
and Skeletor said, melty chocolate salty balls. Skeletor, no, I'm over here trying to be a master trader, act like a professional, and he's talking about sniffing his balls.
I don't have melty chocolate salty balls. I have rock balls. I have rock balls. Okay, so you pulled out 15 points on that.
12.
Okay, good job.
But brings back some of my losses on that little area, so fuck it. Could be setting up for a long now. But look at the 5-minute. No, long does not mean short, it means long.
No, for me it's short. I got short everywhere.
I could see short. I could do short or long.
Yeah. I got short, and short.
I draw a line right here. Ugly line. I like my ugly lines. We get a red candle, short it.
Yeah, that's what I have also. If I get a bearish candle, short it. But I'm quitting. I'm stopping with what I have. I'm happy with what I have. I don't want to touch it. Don't want to ruin it.
The way I feel about it. Skeletor, what you got? You trading? You done for the day? You eating chocolate salty balls or you sniffing your balls?
Sniffing your balls. You can't sniff your balls. You can only play with your balls and then smell your hands. You can smell your fingers.
Oh, wouldn't I be sniffing your balls?
No. Smelling your fingers, smelling your fingers. In the court of law, it's smelling your fingers.
Okay.
What did you do? I smelled my fingers.
Trade sims only. Day like this is a good day for it.
Who typed that?
No PA trade the day. Good man.
Are you getting all this?
Skeletor's right there on the chat.
Yeah. I got it.
I had to refresh. I had to refresh your chat to get it to go up to date.
Yeah, no, the chats are working weird today.
I don't know what's up with that.
Chats are working weird today. Meaty, salty chocolate balls. Okay, I got a short. I'm gonna take it. Fuck off.
No. Thought you were done.
I'll take one. My stop will be, I don't know where. This is the new system. This is the new butter band system. I took it for a 2-lot. Whatever.
You look like we want to dump.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get out there. I just got out of 1 lot. I have almost no risk on the trade now. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? This is a long-term trade. I might just put in a stop order at 90, 9 points above, and just let it go. Come back, check it at 3 o'clock.
I'm going to lower my size in half because it's too late in the day to be taking losses. And if I get the signal, I'll take it.
Long?
No, short.
Still long?
Short.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We're at this support zone. We got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Looks like we're about to break below. Still below the momentum line. You know what's funny is my momentum line even tells you to buy or sell. I just don't ever use it.
You mean like an audio alert?
No, a visual alert.
Okay.
I need to get with ChatGPT. I want to do some more work on that indicator. So many damn things to do.
Oof, tell me about it. I worked Sunday, I think, from 6 in the morning till
take the short
7 at night. Mostly on image creation.
Stop loss at the pivot point. Actually, I can go lower than that. There's no need to be way up there. There we go, 10-point loss. Yeah, it's crazy how much time it takes to do all that stuff. Or to work on the indicators or any of that stuff.
Well, the video creation, actually, I had the video creation taken care of while I was taking a shower. I told my wife even, I said, I had the video made, but the problem is I like custom images. And when you do a 3-minute video and you're changing images every 5 seconds, you got 36 images you got to change. And it takes GPT sometimes 2 minutes, 3 minutes to make an image, and it doesn't come out right. You know, so it like ends up being a 4-hour job just to change the images.
Right.
I shouldn't change all of them.
I found a cool way to get video clips for free. I have to tell you
from an image.
From what?
From an image, you know, like drop in an image and it'll make a video.
Well, it creates the image and then it creates the video.
Oh yeah, it's not Open Art or something like that. Open Art AI.
No, it's actually YouTube. Remember I showed you before?
Oh yeah.
And then I found out how you can save the video. So you can just create a bunch of pictures, turn them all into video. Well, there we go. Look at that.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Break even.
Break even. I tried to get out and it spiked.
Yeah, me too. Damn it.
Bastard.
Mother bitches.
Yeah, I'm out.
What the fuck ever.
I've seen this too often. I've seen this movie play out.
Alright. Damn, that was good. The
fuck? Oh well. That's why. Remember when I said put in your limit orders?
That was 12 points. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Like I was literally trying to click the button to get out, and
yeah, me too. I put it in. Oh well, c'est la vie. Okay, guys, I'm checking out. That's it for me.
Skeletor, thanks for hanging out.
Yep. Just to let you know, there is a 70% chance that we hit. Hold on, I gotta do the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 66 bid. before we hit 87.
You say 466?
No, 366 to the downside. It's still a 70% chance
Oh, downside.
that 66 gets hit. So we're gonna go through that swing again. Most likely 71% chance.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it out.
I'm not taking. Yeah, no, I'm not taking it. I'm done. I'm done.
Good where I'm at.
Yep.
Especially the way the day started. Kind of started out bad.
Mm.
Just glad I got everything in a scramble, trying to get everything back the way it's supposed to be. So hopefully I got things right.
Mm.
And then I get on the prism, and it was trying to screw me over. I caught that. So all in all, it turned out pretty good.
Yep. Okay,
right.
guys, thanks for showing up. I probably will stream tonight, starting at 5:45 if I can. More prison talk. Prism, not prison.
More prison.
PRISM. Thanks for showing up.
That's funny. He went right to prison.
Yeah, he went right to prison. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Go straight to prison.
Wood chip. We're not even going to ask if you went to prison, but what were you there for?
There you go. Forget the small talk. Let's go right into the details.
That'll be for another day. Don't answer. It'll be for another day.
Yeah, leave it. Okay, guys, quick cut up. Thanks for showing up. I'll see you tonight.
Wood chip, Skeletor. Appreciate y'all hanging out.
Take care. Bye.
Later, everyone.
Trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future's still in sight. We'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it